If you want to install apps directly on an SD card on your Android, first of all, open up your settings. Now you're gonna scroll down to the very bottom until you'll find your About Phone tab. In this tab, we gotta open it up and we gotta find our software information. Alright, here we are to find our build number, and let's tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. As you see, we turned on our developer mode. Well, we need it. Alright, now let's go back to our settings. Here we gotta find our developer options. Here are they, right at the bottom of our screen. So choose this option, and in our developer options, we're to find Force Allow Apps on External option. As you found this option, simply tap on the switch near it, and basically that's it. Now we enabled it. Alright, now let's go back and let's move some of our applications directly on our SD card. So for example, let's open up apps and let's find any application. For example, let's find a Bolt application. Why not? Alright, here we gotta find our storage section. And here in the storage section, you can press change and choose where you want to set it. Now we can set it on SD card, so press move. Give your phone a couple seconds to do this. Alright, after we completed the process, let's check on our Bolt application once again. So let's press change, and as you see, an SD card is chosen, and it means that it's already moved to SD card. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing on our channel.